tripping, I just think you both look pretty. She said she loved New York, I say welcome to my city. Black and white like the 50s, I'll be smoking till I'm 60.
Oh, yeah. Well, I know people always say life is short. That's kind of the phrase. Life is short, time is short. And it does, as we get older, time does quicken. It's long, and it's long pertaining to that thought that the past is not done with you because you can't get rid of it. So therefore, it just starts to drag. You get a glimpse of what you might have wanted or what it could have been, and you can start to have it right here in your life now. But then the past does creep in very quickly.
Don't make this harder than it needs to be. I know you wanna leave with me. I rode a joint inside the cab, smoke and watch the scenery. Saying she the only one, but she not believing me. But my girl's not here right now, let's just have some decency.